How do I set business hours? To start, we will open the drop-down menu by clicking the arrow beside System in the Encore menu. We will then navigate to the Business Hours section. There will be default hours of 9 to 5 shown here. To adjust the start and end time, click and drag the time block up and down. You can also drag from the end of the time block to adjust the end time. To delete a time block and mark a day as closed, click on the time block and click the trash icon. Click OK on the pop-up window. If a day is empty and you want to add business hours, simply click and drag from the start time to the end time to create a time block and click Save. Once you have finished setting up your business hours, navigate to the Holiday Hours tab. This area allows you to enter in holidays or preset days where the business will be closed or has special hours. Click Add New to start adding a holiday. In this demo, we will add New Year's Day and Thanksgiving in the United States. First, let's add New Year's Day. Set a name for the holiday under Holiday Name. Under Repeat Event Yearly, turn the toggle on. As New Year's Day occurs on the same date each year, we will leave the Holiday is a specific day toggle on. This allows us to set the date of the holiday and it will reoccur on that date each year. Under Holiday Duration, set if the holiday spans multiple days, or enter in a single date using the Start Date Calendar drop-down. If the business has special hours, set the open and close time. These hours will be applied to all days if the holiday spans multiple days. If the business is closed on this holiday, turn the Closed toggle on. Click Save when done. Next, we'll add Thanksgiving in the United States. Click Add New to start adding the holiday. Set a name for the holiday under Holiday Name and turn the Repeat Event Yearly toggle on. Since this holiday happens on a different date each year, we will need to turn the Holiday is a specific day toggle off. This will allow you to set the week, day of the week, month and number of days that the holiday occurs during. This allows Encore to calculate the date Thanksgiving will be on each year. For our example, Thanksgiving in the United States occurs on the 4th Thursday of November each year. If the business is closed on this holiday, turn the Closed toggle on. If the business has special hours, set the open and close time. Click Save when done. We have now finished setting business hours. Thanks for watching.